How can we learn to trust God?
Do you trust that today when you will go home, you will find rest in your bed? That's why you will go home. Do you trust that your wife will be there? Otherwise you will panic. Do you trust that your children are safe in that home? That's why you're not panicking. Trust is a feeling. You practice it all the time. Like just right now, you're practicing it. You have placed your trust in the roof. You have placed your trust in the health of your wife and her mind that she will take care of your children. And you trust that when you go home, the home will be exactly like the way you left it. You trust that your car will function properly all the way to home. See how much trust you are practicing right now, sitting in my presence. You trust that I will not harm you. You trust that you know me. You trust that you are safe in this home. If all of that trust you were not practicing right now, how much confusion you will find yourself in, how much agitation in your body, how much carefulness. You will not feel relaxed at all. Now trust in God is another matter. I said all of that to make you understand first what is trust. It is not an imagination. There is no imaginary God. You have to have belief, then you have to have faith. And when God will become real to you, you will trust Him. So right now, you trust the concrete of your roof more than you trust God. Learn to flip it the other way around.